This loop is patiently checking numbers one by one, until out of nowhere, it just stops dead at 5 and refuses to go on. Predict exactly how far it gets before it quits, checking 1, 2, 3, 4, then found it, and the loop quits on the spot. It never checked 6, 7, 8, or 9. One keyword did that. 2 keywords that hand you the controls inside any loop. So far, loops run start to finish. These 2 let you interrupt that. Here's the whole difference. Break exits the loop completely. Game over. Continue only skips the rest of the current pass and jumps straight to the next item. One quits the loop, the other quits just this lap. Use break the instant you found what you need. We loop through 1 to 9. If the number equals 5, we announce it and break. That break line is the escape hatch. It drops us out of the loop immediately. When we hit the value we're after, break jumps us straight out of the loop. No more checking. So this line only runs for numbers before 5. See it in action. Checking 1 through 4, then break fires, and it's over. Break is perfect for searching. Found it, stop looking. We loop in over 1 through 9. 1, not 5, keep checking. 2, 3, 4, 5, break. The loop ends right here, skipping the rest. Continue is gentler. It skips 1 lap and keeps the loop alive. This one prints only odd numbers. If a number divides evenly by 2, it's even. We continue, which skips the print and jumps to the next number. If the number is even. Continue skips the rest of this pass and moves to the next number. So print only runs for the odd numbers that get past the skip. 1, 3, 5. The even numbers, 2, 4, 6, each hit continue and got skipped, but the loop kept right on going. That's the difference. Continue skips, break stops. Real quick, if this is clicking for you, tap that like button. It genuinely helps other beginners find the series. And hit subscribe, so the next episode lands right in your feed. For every number we ask, is it even? That's n modulo 2 equals 0. If yes, even, continue fires, and we skip straight to the next number without printing. If no, odd, we sail past continue and print it, so only the odds ever reach that print. Continue is a gate that lets some values through and waves others on. Out of 1 through 6, only 1, 3, and 5 printed. 2, 4, and 6 each hit continue and were skipped, but the loop never stopped. It just moved on. That's continue in a nutshell. Break really shines with a while loop that would otherwise run forever. A tiny command menu. While true means loop forever, on purpose. We read a command, and if it's quit, we break out. Anything else, we run it and loop again. While true would loop forever. But the moment they type quit, break gives us a clean way out. They run hello, then list, then type quit. And break drops us out to goodbye. This while true plus break combo is how almost every menu and game loop is built. And continue is perfect for skipping the values you don't want. We walk a list of numbers and skip every negative one with continue. Only the numbers that survive the skip get printed. If the number is negative, continue skips it entirely, keeping 5, 8, 3. The negatives, -2 and -1, were quietly skipped. Continue is your filter. Skip the ones you don't care about. Process the rest. Before you go, the entire Python 0 to Pro playlist is linked in the description. Every episode in order, start to finish. Go bookmark it and binge the rest. So, break stops the whole loop, continue skips just the current pass, and keeps going. Together, they give you total control inside any loop. Reach for break when you're done, continue when you want to skip, and carry on. Loop from 1 to 20. Skip every multiple of 3 with continue, and break out completely the first time you pass 15. Go build it. Next up, putting a loop inside a loop. Grids, tables, and every combination of two things.